Meet Sajib, a young boy from a small town in Bangladesh. His family survives on a tiny piece of farmland. Life was never easy, but Sajib had big dreams. He moved to the city to attend college, but city life brought a new kind of struggle, managing money, covering daily expenses, and planning for the future without any financial knowledge. Scene: he's watching videos on his phone. One day, while scrolling through YouTube after class, he saw a video titled, "How to Manage Your Finances Using AI." That video stopped him in his tracks. For the first time, Sajib saw hope, not in more money, but in better knowledge. He started learning. He realized AI tools are not just for big companies. Even a regular person can use them to manage money, save more, and build a better future. He opened ChatGPT and asked simple questions. How do I make a monthly budget? How can I save 500 taka a month? What are the best free apps for managing personal expenses? ChatGPT explained everything, from how to track income and expenses, to how to use Google Sheets, and even how to start small investments with very little money. Sajib started writing down all his daily expenses. He linked Google Sheets with a free AI plugin to automate his monthly calculations. At the end of each month, the AI would show him where he spent too much and where he could cut back. Next, he learned tools like Canva, Notion AI, and Tally. Using those, he designed posters for a small online business, managed customer lists, tracked orders and inventory, all with the help of AI. Scene: mobile screen with payment notification. Finally, he made his first online sale. Only 350 taka profit, but for Sajib, it was huge. That small amount proved that his ideas could work. Today, Sajib not only supports himself, he helps his friends understand the basics of finance and AI. He even started his own YouTube channel, sharing how anyone can improve their life with just a smartphone and smart tools. He says, "You don't need to run after money. If you learn to manage it, money will start working for you." In today's world, AI is not just the future, it's already here. And without financial knowledge, even if you earn money, you'll always feel poor. Let's be like Sajib. Use the tools we have, learn what we don't know, and turn small steps into big changes.